Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure and honor to be here this morning with all of you. It's my first trip to India, and I was very fortunate over the last week or so, really kind of getting to know you as a country, as people, but also some of the challenges you see in terms of retail, some of the manufacturing and so on. So I come from BT Global Services, British Telecom. Some of you may not know us, so today's kind of presentation will give you sort of a high-level and very quick introduction in terms of what we do. Because what you might think is, what is a telecoms company doing at a retail event? So hopefully within the next sort of 10, 15 minutes, I might be able to kind of tell you a little bit in terms of what we do, but more importantly, kind of the value we actually provide to some of our customers, some being obviously in retail. So the presentation is about the transparent supply chain. So what does that actually mean from a telecoms perspective? What a telecoms company does day in, day out is managing our customers' data. And we do it in different forms. We have a network, we use telephone lines, mobile phone, satellite communication. That's what a telecoms company does day in, day out. And to be honest, this is not where BT is different to maybe any other global telecoms company in the world. However, where I think BT is certainly a little bit more unique or different is that we are certainly global. We have a very global network. We're represented in about 170 more countries. And we do have a very strong investment in a number of areas as well. On top of that network which we provide to our customers, we obviously provide and build on cloud capability. But more important, it is about customers' data. The data you generate. So in a supply chain context, what it means is when you move things from A to B to C, you generate data. That could be RFID, that could be barcode, that could be as simple as somebody putting maybe something in an Excel spreadsheet. At the end of the day, it's data. It's a 1 and a 0. And that's what BT does. That's where we collect, we host, we manage, we provide data centers, we put security around that data. So with that in mind, I'm kind of trying to give you a little bit of a feel in terms of some of the challenges we certainly hear and see and discuss with some of our customers. And to be very honest with you, the week I've been here in India, the discussions I've been having with a number of our customers are very, very similar to what I'm experiencing in Europe and the US. There's essentially two themes which emerge when we talk to our customers. The first one is about big data, and the second one is about collaboration. So let's just quickly untangle both of those. In terms of big data, what we mean about that is that we see an explosion of devices generating data happening. And you as the end customer who maybe captures and utilizes that data, you will come at some point at a stage where maybe your own infrastructure is not capable to handle more. And you have options. You can increase your infrastructure or you can outsource that infrastructure. But more importantly, what is happening that typically within an end-to-end supply chain, you as one stakeholder, one participant in that, you only see a very small percentage of the data. You only typically see around about 20%. And that data sits within your factory or within your warehouse or within your retail store environment. That means that the bulk of data, nearly 80%, actually sits outside your control, your reach. It sits with your retailers, with your suppliers, with your partners, with your end customers, etc. So what does that really mean? It means that you do not have a true global end-to-end visibility because most of it actually sits outside your reach and control. However, it is very important data. It's data for you to manage your inventory better. It's